Welcome back to the channel, Clear Cryptos. My name is Austin Hilton. I have a YouTube channel here as well. You can actually find it. That's my name. Just if you want to just go while you're on YouTube, look up my name, you'll find my crypto channel. But I also support Clear Cryptos, and because I believe fundamentally what this company is doing and their vision for what they want to do to help crypto in any way that they possibly can. And also links down in the description to their website, to all their socials and everything you need to know. Highly recommend you check them out. Get involved in their Discord group. They've got a lot of stuff coming, and 2023 is absolutely going to be the year of Clear Crypto. So definitely give them a check out scenario. I highly recommend it. Okay, so let's talk about 2022. What happened to crypto? Well, the list is fairly long, but I'm going to go through it pretty quickly and give you kind of an overall view of what happened in 22 and kind of maybe a little glimpse in 23. But I also have another video that'll be here on the Clear Cryptos channel where I talk about 2023 and what to expect in all that, for crypto as well. Okay, 2022, we started off fairly good. This January of 2022 was actually a really good month. And then it just kind of, the train went off the proverbial rails. Okay. So we had a scenario play out where inflation was rampant, became rampant in 2022, reaching 40-year, 4 decades, 40-year all-time highs. There was count them, 7 interest rate hikes from the Federal Reserve in an effort to combat this inflation. By the way, never happened. That's never happened ever in the history at all. 7 raises of the interest rate from the Federal Reserve in 1 year. Never happened before. Number 2, we had the Russia-Ukraine war, the Russia invasion of Ukraine. Devastation on a financial world stage scenario. There was financial markets that were wrecked, things of that nature. Not to mention the loss of life, and so and that had its impact and toll on crypto. So you have inflation, and the government's battling every month by raising rates, etc. Add that into the Russia-Ukraine war. We had the continuing effects of the fallout of COVID and China shutting down their entire basically manufacturing apparatus, and if you will, and global supply issues on from everything from computer chips to you name it. Right? There was food shortages, fuel shortages, and it was food shortages part and parcel to the Ukraine war. Lots of moving parts here. Okay. There was in crypto specific, there was Celsius, Three Arrows Capital, now maybe being tied to FTX and SBF. Obviously, the last part of 2022, we had FTX and SBF, and that fundamentally rattled people's confidence in crypto. And so it was not a good year for crypto, but I would also add that it was not a good year for stocks either. Stocks and kind of the overall financial market, not great. Right. And so I guess really what I'm conveying to you is it's not a crypto specific thing. These are kind of global financial macro problems, if you will, macro problems that impacted crypto and impacted our stock market and all that. Just not a good year. And so our overall market capitalization for crypto went from almost 3 trillion to 792 billion, give or take, as of right now. And not great. Right now, there were opportunities along the way. If you're looking at kind of long-term investment strategies, being able to buy at these kind of current levels, not a bad thing. From a low cost structure, Cardano is down from its high of almost $3, XRP down, you name it. It's just Bitcoin down, Ethereum down off their highs dramatically. But that was 2022, and so I'm going to save the rest for another video for, and look forward here on this channel, on the Clear Cryptos channel, talking about 2023, what I think that's coming in 2023. So thank you for your support of myself on this channel. Check out the other videos, for there's a lot of other content creators that have created lots of great videos here on Clear Cryptos YouTube channel, all with one goal in mind: to help you navigate crypto and make it better, safer for you, all of that. And so links in the description below to all things Clear. Thank you for your support. I'll see you. Have a good one.